Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have missed out painting for a few weeks while I was vacationing in India. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the inspirational videos I posted from there. Just came back so supercharged to try and work on new stuff for the year. So today, and I love saying the next sentence, but today I'm going to do something that has, to my knowledge, never been done before. And that is a reverse Dutch pour. So hear me out. So the concept is, everyone does Dutch pours with this negative space in the back, and then they do the colors and blow it out with the dryer. So today I'm going to do something completely wild, which is do a flip cup. I'm going to reverse the concept. I want to do a backdrop that's a pour, a traditional colorful pour. In this case, I'm going to do flip cup and only do white for the actual Dutch, the blow dryer piece of it. So I have been in the garage forever. I have scraped, you can see the mess back here. Ew. But the good news is it peels off, and it's so refreshing to peel it off once it's dry to come back to some semblance of sanity and neatness back here. But I've been experimenting today because it's something that has, like I said, never been done before. There were so many mishaps, there were so many, but I could see the potential, and boy am I glad I stuck it through and came up with this idea. Check it out and tell me what you think, because by golly, I plan to take this in almost anything I do from now on. It's just such a fabulous look. Very unique and colorful too. It's not just, the white is not the only color on the canvas. Anyhow, I think I'm talking too much now. Let me stop and let you watch and enjoy. All right, so for the first time ever, I believe, on YouTube, I love saying that, but seriously, I haven't seen it before, and I think the idea is brilliant. As you can see by the mess around me and the scraping of the canvas, I have been playing around with this, and I think I got this right this time. What I'm going to do is take a flip cup of red, yellow, and green with some metallic black, do the flip cup, tilt it to my liking, and then do a Dutch pour with just white. Just white. And to flood the Dutch, quote-unquote Dutch pour, I'm going to use whatever black is left over from the flip cup. I'm not planning to use all of this for the flip cup. It's just for accent only. So I'll have about half a cup left over. So I'll use that to flood the white before I blow it out. So let's give this a shot. So I am going to stack for the flip cup. Purposely going for a brighter background so I can get an idea of when I'm actually doing conscious mixing of colors, I know how the colors will play out. So it's always a good idea when you're trying something new to use the brighter colors so you can track, and use fewer colors so you can track. Like right now I know there's orange, green, and yellow, and when I do the pour, I'll be able to quickly tell where the colors went, what stayed, what mixed, right? So that's obviously pretty intuitive. I am going to flip. 1, 2, 3. All right. So a funny thing has happened. I've come back from my vacation where hopefully you enjoyed the videos about Jaipur and Jodhpur that I put out. But my torch got jammed and when I tried to turn it on, it got again jammed. When I thought I had unjammed it, it got jammed again, this time in the leaking position. So I've got the garage open. I'm sniffing because I'm freezing, but obviously I don't want the butane to leak into the sealed studio, so I am playing it safe. The worst that's going to come out of it is a cold, but even more important, I can't torch today. So it is an experiment day, so I'm not too concerned about it. But if any ideas on how to unjam a torch, I'd appreciate it. If not, Amazon, here I come. All right, let's open this up. Whoa, what lovely colors. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Can you see that? Even if I had a torch, I would not torch the bubbles out at this point. And the reason for that is the cells that form, if any, I have no silicone in here, so whatever's forming is happening by the mixing of the paints. If cells do form, as I tilt, they get distorted. So even if I did have a torch, I would torch in the end, not right now. So right now I'm just seeing what's coming out, and I'm planning to tilt. So I see the greens, yellows, and red, and then I see some shades of mixed colors that are actually looking pretty good. So no complaints there. I love this blue that's come out, this gray blue, I think the black mixed. And look at the cells popping up. Do you see them? No, cells as in they're not your traditional silicone related cells. It's just the paint layers working together. So let's hit that corner first. Okay, done. Wow, I'm really liking this combination here. And as I tilt, I'm also thinking about the Dutch I'm going to do on top of it. So I'm going to try to, wow, I love that little baby that came up. When you get a multicolored cell, it's just like such an amazing feeling. And it's not like I've done anything to get it. It's just